gonna talk about rituals, which is something that I have been working on in my own life. And I guess I'm talking about just creating habits and routines when I say rituals. For me, I guess I've been looking to find better structure in my mornings where I wake up and I have something that I do every single morning and it gets my day started, instead of just waking up and feeling really lost and just kind of bopping around instead of having purpose as soon as I wake up. Especially going into the new year, I want to just start implementing these things that I know I want to do every single morning and make a habit of it. Speaking of habits, part of that is having a skincare routine. So this video is sponsored by Welbourn, which is one of my favorite companies. You've heard me talk about them before. Welbourn is a clean beauty company that all of their products are 100% non-toxic, and they go through a 5-step process to make sure they actually are so they are really diligent about clean beauty and making sure that what you're putting on your skin is good for you. I think it's really nice that they can give you a lot of really good information on that. So right now they have their clean beauty kit, which I think is really great and has some of my favorite products in it. They have the Osea Ocean Cleanser, which is made from algae. It's vegan, cruelty free, and I have the larger size of this and use it every single day, and I think it's so amazing. Then they have the Indy Lee Toner, which works wonders, and again, this is another brand that I've become obsessed with and have shopped more of since trying this one. Their moisturizer is amazing. Again, another brand, Ursa Major, which I have bought a face mask from that I love, and this recovery cream is so moisturizing and just really amazing overall. And then it comes with their full lane soap, which is 100% toxin free, and you can use this on your hands, body, face, counters, your dog if you wanted to, so you can use it on pretty much everything, which I think is amazing. And this is just such a cute little kit and would be perfect for gift giving as well, because it works on all skin types. It's not really targeted towards one skin type specifically, and it's just filled with really great products and would be a great introduction for someone who would be interested in trying out some clean beauty products. So if you're looking for gift ideas, this would be a great one to snag for someone you love. Of course, I have a discount for you, so you can get it for 50% off with my link. So for only $22 and free shipping, which is amazing. This is for US viewers only, so if you're in the US, I would definitely encourage you to use the link below if you want to snag this. The last day to order, I think, is December 17th to get it for the holiday season, so definitely act fast because that date is coming up so soon. Otherwise, I'm just gonna get right into the video and share with you guys kind of the morning ritual that I have been implementing and what my hour in the morning has been looking like. So hopefully you guys enjoy this, and I'd love to hear your morning rituals below as well.
out through your nose. Inhale and move back to your low lunge.